to DIY Halloween costumes from everyday objects. It's almost that time of year where ghosts and goblins come out to play. Halloween is just around the corner. And we've got some crazy fun ideas to make crafty, spooktacular DIY costumes from everyday objects. But first, be sure to subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel and click on the notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. Harry Potter. If you want to look like Hogwarts' favorite wizard this year, give this look a try. On a color printer, print out the Gryffindor crest. Then cut a piece of red felt to the same shape and size, leaving a slight border around the printout. Then seal it down with Mod Podge. Get a gray sweater and place a sheet of cardboard inside so the glue doesn't bleed through to the back of the shirt. Glue a gold sequined ribbon along the collar. Make sure to go all the way around. Snip at the point of the V-neck. Now add some red around the collar as well. Snip, snip. So far, so good. Spray the back of your Gryffindor crest with spray adhesive and press it to the lapel of your sweater. Now we need a magic wand. Wrap a wooden dowel at one end with black tape. Roll the tape a few times at both ends of the handle. Wrap the handle again with masking tape. Let's add a creative touch. Sprinkle some beads onto a paper plate. Apply hot glue to the handle and dip the wand into the beads. Mix together some black, brown, and white paint until you're happy with the color. Paint the handle and the beads. Go ahead and paint the shaft of the wand as well. Looks pretty authentic, doesn't it? All that's left to do is run to platform 9 3/4, Wingardium Leviosa. Frida Kahlo. If you would rather be one of Mexico's most influential painters, give this costume a try. First, cut 2 strips of black fabric, like this. Cut some hot pink tulle to size. Glue the tulle to the black fabric strip, then glue the other strip on top. Fold the fabric over. Now braid the pieces together and glue the ends. You can usually find artificial flowers at the dollar store. Snag a few and get ready to make Frida's signature headband. First, pull the flowers off the stems, then glue the flowers to the headband. Keep adding flowers to your heart's content. Get some earring wire and beads from the craft store and string together your very own Frida earrings. Use a brow brush and liner to get that signature eyebrow look that Frida is known for. Beautiful! Now add the headband and get ready to be the life of the Halloween party. Bat. This cute costume is super easy to put together. Watch this. First, measure a large piece of fabric to your body. Then mark bat wings in the sides with chalk. Cut the wings out. Make sure to cut holes at the edges of the wings for your thumbs to fit through. Time for the bat ears. Cut a piece of black tape and wrap it around a black headband off to the side. Tape the sticky parts together at the top. Do the same for the other side. Stick some double-sided tape at the base of the ears. Pull off the adhesive backing and fold the black tape over to make a triangle shape. Stick it down to the double-sided tape. Let's give those ears a trim. How cute is this? Batgirl is ready for trick-or-treating. Vampire fangs. Oh, speaking of nocturnal creatures, check out this clever hack. Grab some acrylic nails. Cut them into fangs with cuticle scissors. Sand the point with a nail file and apply them to your teeth. Those look like the sharpest fangs in all of Transylvania. Starbucks Frappuccino. Looking to dress up as your favorite sweet drink? We've got you covered! First, print out the Starbucks logo onto a piece of paper. Trace a circle around the logo onto a large piece of felt. Cut it out and use spray adhesive to glue the logo onto the felt. Measure 2 strings for the back of the logo. Glue them into place, like you see here. Now grab a piece of green construction paper. Roll it up to make a large straw. Use a hot glue gun to glue it together. Next, find a tan dress at the thrift store. Use spray adhesive to glue white cotton batting to the collar of the dress. Feed the belt of the dress through the strings on the back of the logo and attach the straw to your shoulder. This might be the tastiest Halloween costume we've ever seen. Maleficent. Playing a villain on Halloween can be so much fun. Our favorite villain is Maleficent. Here's how we made her horns. First, wrap some saran wrap around your head. Never wrap it around your nose or mouth, just cover your forehead and the top of your head. Next, tape it up using clear packing tape. Pull it off your head. Crinkle it up and shape it so it looks like Maleficent's horns. When you've got it to the right size, cut the extra foil away with scissors. Add some more foils to the base of the horns to dents in them. Next, mix together some black and white paint to create an aged look. Paint the horns. Now get some black plastic and wrap it around the horns. Horns? Check this. Now for the hat. Use the hat you formed around your head earlier and cut a widow's peak in the front. Cover it with black plastic. Beautifully evil. Then tape the horns to the hat with black tape. Just make sure you invite her to the party. You know what happened to Sleeping Beauty. Waldo. Let's get a little more playful with a Where's Waldo costume. All you need are a pair of glasses, a red beanie, a pair of blue jeans, and a red and white striped shirt. All of these are totally easy to find at the thrift store. Put on the hat and glasses, and maybe add a cane to the costume. Everyone will be looking for Waldo the whole night. Great Gatsby headband. If you want to go for a more glamorous look, try this headband from the Great Gatsby. You'll need a stretchy black headband, some jewels, some feathers, and a hot glue gun. First, glue the feathers to your headband, layer and fan them out, like this as you glue. Next, draw a straight line of glue across the front of the headband. Then glue a chenille stem in place. Use glitter glue if you have it to add more sparkle. Glue your jewels to the front. We like this design, but you can make it whichever style you like. Then get some bead string and string some beads on it. When you're happy with the look of the strand of beads, glue them to the front of your headband. Glue a few beads over the strand to make it more secure and stylish. Just add a few finishing touches along the sides. You can add as many beads as you like here. And ta-da! Time to go hit the local speakeasy. Bye, darling. With all these cool costume ideas, you'll be the life of every Halloween party. And you won't have to spend a fortune on pre-made costumes. We hope you liked our DIY Halloween costumes. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you next time!